Hi everyone. I'm sure you would agree that there's a lot of things going on right now that cause a lot of insecurity. We're asking questions we never thought we'd be asking. I'm finding myself thinking back to my grandmother's childhood. She lived through the Great Depression. I watched her as an adult smoothing out her tinfoil pieces, and I never could understand why. And now that I'm looking at rationing toilet paper, I'm beginning to have an idea why. So Vance Physical Therapy and Wellness and Just Sprouting together are working together right now to put together a series of videos that will hopefully give you a little bit of security during a potentially very insecure time for you and your family. We want to be a voice of reason to give you some practical tips of ways that you can stretch the things you already have in your home and use some of the weird items that are still left on the shelf at the grocery store, or creative ways to get around the fact that maybe you won't have any toilet paper for a few more days. So we're going to be putting together these videos. I want to invite you to click to follow or like this video right now so that you'll see us in your feed over the next few days, few weeks, whatever it takes. We want to just keep bringing you little tips each step of the way that are going to help just bring a little more sanity into your life and a feeling of hope. We want you all to be able to get a good night's sleep, because that's one of the best things you can do for your immune system right now, and to eat healthy. So we'll be giving you some tips of recipes and just lots of good practical advice, and nothing scary. We're just going to stick to positive things that we can actually do to help each other out. So I hope you'll join us.